Dear colleagues, let's assume you have a PowerPoint presentation you want to turn into a video lecture. This short tutorial is going to show you how to produce a video lecture from within PowerPoint. So assume this is your PowerPoint presentation and it is ready for presenting. You have saved it somewhere, but you don't know how to turn it into a video. It's very easy. First, rather than the usual save as command we typically use to save PowerPoint presentations, we'll use the export command. So if you click on export, you will see a bunch of nice options. Let's use the create video option. If you click on create a video option, you can choose various video sizes. The full HD quality for our purposes is not necessary, as students will typically use small screen devices. Therefore, choose the 720p resolution. It has the advantage that it nearly halves the video size and is friendly for the user bandwidth usage. After you choose the video size comes the actual video recording. Click on Don't Use Recorded Timings option, which lets you record your own timings and narrations. Once you choose to record your own narrations, PowerPoint moves you onto a recording screen. That's how the recording screen looks like. The good news here is that PowerPoint automatically captures your camera image and embeds it into the bottom right corner. You can further play with the camera and microphone options, which you can locate right below your image. You can also switch off those images if you like. To start recording, you need to press the big red button in the upper left corner. Then proceed as usual, as if you give your normal presentation. Moving on to the next slide is also done as usual, with the added benefit that you can use the pointers on both sides of the PowerPoint slide. Once you're done with your presentation, you can press the stop button, return to the export screen, and click on Create Video. PowerPoint will ask you where to save your video. That's it. So much for the news, though. Let's hear some bad news. Let's hear some throwbacks. First of all, it will take a while for PowerPoint to export your video. Time to check the latest news headlines, for example. Second, well, PowerPoint is PowerPoint. Not everyone is in love with PowerPoint. We all know that. Although convenient to create and embed videos, PowerPoint will still struggle to match the beauty of LaTeX slides. For technical courses like math, statistics, econometrics, and the more formal parts of the rest of the courses, using this technique has a more limited applicability. Perhaps the worst of all is that you can't go back 10-20 seconds and start from the moment you begin messing up your video, or the moment your child starts messing up your video. You need to start over. That is why this method to create videos is only for short videos, say 5-10 minutes at most. For the rest of the videos, you will need to wait for additional solutions. Luckily, the department is working on them as we speak. Thanks for watching.